In this video, we'll look at how to use deep research in SCiNiTO AI Chat. Deep research allows you to gain a comprehensive and structured understanding of a research topic without spending hours or days reviewing large volumes of literature. Instead, SCiNiTO analyzes key sources and delivers high-level insights in just a few minutes. To use deep research, go to the AI Chat section in SCiNiTO. Before submitting your question, select Deep Research from the available modes. This tells the system to perform a multi-step, in-depth research process instead of a quick summary. Now enter your research question. After submitting the prompt, SCiNiTO first creates a research plan. During this stage, the system searches, analyzes, and synthesizes information from many different scholarly articles. This process usually takes a few minutes. You don't need to wait on the page when the research is complete. You'll receive an email notification. By clicking Show Steps, you can view key insights and detailed sources. This ensures transparency and helps you understand how the analysis was conducted. The final deep research output is delivered as a structured research-grade report. It begins with an executive summary followed by background and context to frame the topic clearly. The report then defines the research objectives and scope, before moving into a synthesized review and analysis of the relevant literature. From there, SCiNiTO highlights key findings and emerging trends, discusses major challenges and limitations, and identifies open research gaps that remain unresolved. It concludes with future research directions along with clear conclusions and recommendations. All insights are generated by analyzing, comparing, and synthesizing multiple scholarly sources, ensuring the results are comprehensive, reliable, and grounded in academic evidence. Deep research is especially useful when you need a strong starting point for exploring a new research topic, or when you want a high-level overview of the existing literature without reading dozens of individual papers. It also helps when you're analyzing how a field has evolved over a specific time period, identifying key trends and shifts in research focus. In addition, deep research makes it easier to uncover open research gaps and unresolved questions, supporting more informed and evidence-based academic and scientific decision-making. That's all for this tutorial on how to use deep research in SCiNiTO AI. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website to make your research process smoother and more efficient.